Hi, this is our project for LA Hacks. It's called Tandem, Travel Automated Network Discovery and Experience Management. So what does that mean? Everyone knows someone that knows someone. See, one of the problems we all have is that when we go out to travel with friends, it's always hard to come with the itinerary that everyone wants to do. Another thing is that traveling is a social process. So much better when you meet other people in the city that take you to do cool things. So how can you leverage the power of AI and our social graphs to ease the process of travel and networking? See, Tandem, there's two parts to Tandem. One is Louis GPT. So Louis GPT is essentially a virtual assistant in your group chat. So imagine you can add a number to your group chat that listens to all the conversation you have in and creates an itinerary of exactly what you guys want to do based on what you guys chatted about. And so this is a quick demo. So here is a group chat of us. We're talking about going to New York City next week, and we talked about a couple different things. We talked about people chimed in. People want to go Madison Square Garden, Empire State, all those things. And what LucyGPT did was it took all those inputs and it created an itinerary that everyone wanted to do. And the fun thing about that itinerary, it also looked at events that were happening in that city. So it found the perfect things for you to do in that city. Cool. Second part is what we call MangoDB, which is the social part. And essentially, what we do is we take in your Instagram and your Twitter, and we traverse the web and find followers following and the post of the followers and following to find people that are in the city and that you can get connected to. We not only look at your first, we also look at your secondary and also tertiary connections to find the perfect people for you to meet in the city. Cool. Here's a quick example. So we did a case study for LA hacks. So we're in LA. We want to go do things. So here's a quick example. So this is me. I am good friends with this guy called Andres. Andres is good friends with this guy called Brandon. Brandon lives in LA and is a guy I could meet. So what I did after we kind of came with this graph, after inputting our Instagrams, is I messaged Andres to connect me to Brandon. And this is how it kind of turned out. So he texted it, Brandon, we could pill, blah, blah. And we actually met up. So Brandon is a cool guy. He does skateboarding for a living. He's a cool, decked out skateboarding. So I was using our app. And so we were able to test our app in while we're in the hackathon. Cool. Next slide. This is how data kind of transmits to our app. So there's SMS, goes to Twilio, webhooks, GPT, and all kind of comes down to show like this really good social graph as well as your itinerary on our web app. And these are technologies we use. Thank you for watching.